Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Today we figured, since we have the engine and transmission mocked up with the motor mounts temporarily tack loaded in, we double check and make sure that our Torqstorm Supercharger bracketry and everything will fit properly. So we're going to do a quick test fit, and here we go. We started by installing our bracket that bolts to our head, and as seen here, they have a recess for clearance for our valve cover, which is kind of cool. So we're going to install these, but note we're not going to torque them down because all this has to come off whenever we send the truck to paint. Up next, the head unit bracket was installed using the hardware and spacers provided in the kit. Again, these are not going to be torqued because this is a test fit, not final assembly. The tensioner pulley was reinstalled once the mounting hardware for the head bracket was installed. Up next was the head unit, and this was a little tricky, just being one-handed and another hand that only functions when it wants to. But anyway, we got it on there. I then installed the pulley on the dampener adapter just with one bolt, just to get a glance to make sure everything was cool and cleared. With the install test fitted complete, I figured I'd give y'all a quick glance. I apologize about the wobble vision. Now guys, that old AC unit will be replaced with a new one in final assembly. This is just mock-up. Alright guys, join us next time when we finish our high hump install. Until then, please like and subscribe.